Utah, this driver.
But I just wanted to get you, look at this, that's amazing. Look at how it just snapped. And it's a significant bow. Pulling this out of the way of the cars, but you can just see there's just boughs and debris. This looks like the whole tree. Look at that, half the tree just broke off. That's just amazing how big that is. And I don't know if you can get the scale of it. This one's another really pretty good sized branch. Not nearly as big as the other one, but still. Just look at how it cracked. And I had to stop to show you this. This is amazing. These trees just completely, they're big trees. Look at that. And they just are completely pulled up out of the ground. That's super impressive. You just don't see that every day. Really sad. These 3 absolutely beautiful blue spruce trees just completely blown over. Look at that. Aww. And these are whopping big blue spruce trees, and so these people must be so disappointed. What a thing to wake up to. I guess it's good that they didn't fall on the house. It looks like there wasn't anything that they fell onto, but I just come over this way and there's just must have.
Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh my gosh.